Baltimore protests started out peaceful over the death of Freddie Gray, but soon turned violent yesterday. Protesters smashing police cars, looting stores, a fire, as a dozen are put under arrest. Are authorities moving fast enough in this case, and are they doing enough to quell violence in Baltimore? Two linked questions. Joining us now for a legal debate and a real smart discussion, attorneys Jonna Spilbor and David Schwartz. Good morning to both of you.
Morning.
Jonna, and David. Jonna, what's your thoughts on this? You know, we saw down in South Carolina on the Walter Scott killing that there was an indictment within days. Now they're saying, well, we'll have some answers in May. Is there a delay here or not?
How much faster are the police expected to move? I mean, this death occurred a week ago. And unlike other cases, we already have the police department coming out and admitting some degree of liability. In two instances, they said, listen, first, we didn't get this man medical care, and we should have, and we didn't follow protocol by strapping him into the van as we should have. So at least we already know that the police department here is going to be responsible for some level of damages. Do we want any old answer, or do we want the right answers? If we want the right answers, it's going to take time to get there.
We want the truth. But what about the fact that, how did this thing morph into this yesterday? I mean, the police understood that there were protests, there were thousands of people, and now we see police cars getting trashed and stuff on fire and looting, and a lot of Americans, and I've gotten emails this morning, they say, what is that about?
Well, I have no tolerance or sympathy for the protesters. We can't kowtow to the protesters' impatience in getting answers. They're not the ones who need the answers. The people who need the answers are the family and the police personnel who are going to be disciplined or lose their job or pay out money for this.
What do you say, David? This is an interesting question. You've got an interesting perspective on who should be prosecuting this case.
I think the operative words that Jonna just stated are the police. She stated the police about 20 times just now. The problem is the police investigating this. Does anyone else see a conflict here? This police officer works for the police. My take on this is we need an independent prosecutor. We need independent investigators investigating these cases all across the country. The same department that the person works for can't be the department investigating. And that's a reason why people are so out of control over this.
And you're a former prosecutor, and you say if you put an independent prosecutor in there, if you take it out of the hands of the local police and the local DA, you take a lot of the passions out of it, and you say, okay, we'll have a determination on the local and state level before we start to get to federal investigations.
Right, it's the appearance of impropriety. It's the appearance that everybody's in bed together. We have to take that appearance out. We need to change the jurisdiction where they're investigating. We need to change the prosecutor. It makes sense.
In every case, we can't give them an opportunity, the local police department, to do the right thing. I mean, there's no indication that they're not doing the right thing.
But there's an appearance.
And we'll leave it there. Two smart lawyers, two smart sets of opinions. Thank you both for being here on this Sunday. Coming up, no need for moms and dads. Public schools are going to parent your children. Well, do you think that's a good idea? You guys think that's a good idea? We're going to report, and you're going to decide ahead. And you've heard of the kiss cam at sporting events, but what about the flex cam? Look at that. Look at that. Way to go.
Let's see.